let's make some eggs.
Oh, eggs! I love eggs!
Me too. But we're gonna need my recipe book called How to Cook Eggs. Can you get it? It's in the library.
Oh, cookbooks! How to cook beef, how to cook chicken, how to cook every vegetable, and how to cook eggs. Oh my goodness, that's the biggest book I've ever seen. 1, 2, 3.
Go ahead, read me the recipe, Mr. Clown. I am starving.
Okay, 4 eggs, and that's it. Work your magic. I'm starving.
Mr. Clown, what else does the recipe say?
Nothing. That's it. 4 eggs scrambled.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna...
Wait!
Well, just read me the ingredients.
But I can't read what it says. Can you please help me?
Well, of course, Mr. Clown. It's always okay to ask for help, but it's never okay to lie.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was embarrassed.
So, the recipe says 1/4 cup of cream, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. It's fractions. Is that what was confusing you?
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I mean, I know salt and I know pepper, but math is scary.
But math is a very important part of reading.
An important part of eating.
Yes.
Nee, why don't you let me hold the eggs and we can cook even faster?
Okay.
You didn't say ready. I was not ready. You're trying to sabotage me. Okay, give me another chance.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course. I wasn't ready that time. But this time I'm ready 100%. That's math.
Mr. Clown, ready?
I'm ready.
Here you go. I thought you were ready.
I was ready, but you made me so nervous from last time, my palms are sweaty.
It's okay, Mr. Clown. Those were your eggs.
You know what it is? 1 egg is too small and slippery. It goes right through my fingers. But when my uncle would come out of the chicken coop, he's always holding 3 eggs. And I think that's the magic number, 3.
Mr. Clown, those are our last eggs. You have to be very...
Yes, okay. Just go ahead and put them in there. Go ahead. Don't you trust me?
Okay. I trust you. Don't be nervous.
Nope. Perfect.
So now we just need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some pepper.
Oh, not pepper. No, I'm going to sneeze. Achoo! Oh, I did it. I held on to the eggs. Oh, that was perfect.
close.
I thought I was going to get you. Uh-oh.
Okay. We're going out to breakfast. Your treat.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.